generating image like this or calibrating your image from this to this or generating product images like this is made easier with an AI called Nano Banana. If you don't know Nano Banana is an AI that is created by Google and it is currently free and it has no limit on it. So I'm here today to teach you how to leverage it to grow your YouTube channel. My name is Anif, and all I do is teach people how to grow their channel and leverage AI to help grow their channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and put me on post notification so that anytime I post any content like this, you'll get it straight into your feed. So without much ado, let's dive right into the video. So to begin with, you search for Google AI Studios and click on the first link you see over there. So it will take you to a web page where there are other AIs there, but we are here to try Nano Banana. So you click on try Nano Banana. Okay. So this is where we put our prompt and this is where we add our image. And the project that we are going to work on right now is a project about a soda that I want to use for a product image that can be later used for an ad. So let's go. Let me add my image. So let me add my image. So this is my image that I want to add. So after adding my image, I now have to add my prompt. So this is where I add my prompt. I add my prompt over here. So basically, the idea about this prompt is to generate a hand holding the soda in a forest because I don't want to read the prompt fully. So this is I'm just summarizing it for you guys so that it will be simple for you. But if you want the prompt, I can put it in the comment section so that you can copy it and use it for yourself. So after that, I click enter. So after clicking enter, we'll wait for a little while so that the image will generate. Boom! After waiting for a while, this is the image we got. So let's check it out. As you can see, everything is clear. You can see the hand is like just it's like a human hand. There's nothing bad about it. If you take a look at the shoulder, there's no mistake. It's giving you everything and everything that you want. So this AI actually gives you the exact command prompt that you give it. That's what it will give you back. So this is where you download it. So you can decide to download it or to. I'm reminding you again. I'm going to put my link. I'm going to put the prompt in the comment section. If you want it, then you can copy it from there. All right. So let's head to the second project. So actually, our second project is going to be on color grading. As I told you in the beginning, you can use it for color grading also. So let me add the image I want to color grade so that we'll proceed with the video. So after putting in my image, as you can see, it's not all that clear, and the background too is a little bit noisy. So I would like to change the background and color grade the image. So let's put in this prompt. So after that, we click on run and wait for a little while for the image to load. So finally, it is downloading, and let's see how it will look. Okay, you see this time, you see how clear it is. Look at the background, I changed it. Look at the color grading, look at the texture of the person and everything. And now let's take a look at the old one. Look at how it is. Look at the noise in this one. You see, my face is not that nice over here. You see all that. Look at the background. So now, if you compare, you see that this one is far, far better than the other ones. You can use this AI for color grading too, and it is very, very nice. So let's proceed to the third project where we'll do another amazing thing. So this brings us to the point where I'll teach you how to swap the face of another person for a different one. So this time around we add the image again. No, this time around we put in the prompt rather to generate an image of an angry man, but the background should be blurred. So it's simple and straightforward. Prompt. Let's see how it should go. So actually it did well. If you take a look at this, it's a very, very clear. So actually, it generated it. Take a look at this picture. Looks very, very realistic. You see, like a camera shot type of picture. So after that, let's see, let's do something fancy and let's see what it will actually do. So I'm currently telling it to change the man's face to Incredible Hulks. So let's see what it will do. You see, it did it perfectly. So this is good for is for people who do AI video transitions. So you see, take a look at Hawk over here. Clean, so clean, and it looks very, very realistic. And if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do, because here we don't gatekeep. All we do is to teach people how to leverage AI to grow their YouTube channels and also give YouTube channel growth tips. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do, so that anytime I post any content like this, you can get it straight into your feed too. And also, if you want me to teach you how to generate thumbnail like how I did with this AI, put in the comment section thumbnail so that I'll do the next video. See you in the next one. Peace.